Welcome to FX Options University, recorded live at the International Securities Exchange, the world's largest equity options exchange. Join the industry's top trading professionals as they provide insight and strategies for trading in the currency markets using FX options. FX options are a low-risk alternative to hedging currency moves in any market condition.
Okay, at this point, I want to give everybody another couple of minutes to make any sort of, or to bring us any questions, comments that you might have. Mike Tosaw is available at mtosaw@brokersXpress.com. You can call him at 866-903-1822. The archive will be available tomorrow. So after tomorrow, you can go to www.isc.com/archives, and you'll be able to get this presentation. So let me just throw it back to you, Mike, and if you have any closing comments, I'd appreciate, and of course the attendees would love to hear any closing comments you might have.
Well, just one thing, respect the market. Never fear the market, but always respect the market, and that it can go against you. So no matter what you do, typically the way with which I know you've always taught me through the years is that you were a break-even trader 11 months out of the year, and you never knew which month you were going to make your money for the year in, but you were constantly monitoring risk. And just in my years in the business, the people that stick around at this are the ones that are constantly focused on the risk side of it. The rewards will come if your system is good, but the bottom line is that if you blow your account out, then that's where the problem is going to lie. So never fear the market. Always respect the market, and if you're interested in working with us in any way, feel free to send me an email or give me a call, and I'm more than happy to help in any way with which I can. I'm a trading junkie, and just more than happy to help in any way that I can. And once again, thank you, Steve, for having me on. It's always a pleasure to be on the ISE website.
Mike, thank you very, very much. You always offer us a lot of knowledge, insight into the markets, and again, remember, Mike offers services that many people don't offer. The ability to tailor your needs. Mike and his partner will do that for you as long as that you guys can come to some, I guess, mutually difficult decisions, but appropriate decisions that, you know, what are your risk tolerances, what are your financial goals. Mike will go through that with any person to establish if the suitability of his clients. So, Mike, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. I want to thank Mike Tosaw. And again, you can contact Mike at mtosaw@brokersXpress.com, or you can call him at 866-903-1822 and decide if his services meet your needs. I want to remind everyone that June 21st, we have a special webinar. On June 21st, I'll be presenting why currencies matter for investment portfolios. It's at a new time. We have not offered at 7 o'clock Eastern time, so that might make sense for those of you, if you're listening out in Asia and it's a 12-hour difference, that might make sense, that it might be very early in the morning. So please, next Monday, June 21st, why currencies matter for investment. I'm going to go through a little bit of what Mike went through today, the idea of looking at investments, indexes that have underperformed, and why did they underperform? Well, the currency matters, and how you might want to hedge that currency risk. So again, that's June 21st, 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. That might be very late for those of you in Europe, but for those of you in Asia, that might make sense. And again, if you're in Hawaii, if you're lucky enough to be in Hawaii, that's probably a perfect time for you, or even in California. So again, June 21st, why currencies matter for investment portfolios. It's a special time. And June 22nd, we have John Person with us at the regularly scheduled time, and he'll be talking about using candles and pivots to predict price moves. And then Jason Ayers will be on June 29th, surviving volatility drought, or actually he's probably going to switch that around and talk more about how you had to try to survive a volatility drought and then take advantage of that big rally, hopefully in May in volatility, and just try to survive. So that'll be on June 29th. Jason Ayers and he does the weekly outlook. So I want to thank all of you, because without the attendees, this program doesn't exist. And, of course, without Mike Tosaw, our special guest today, this program wouldn't exist either. So, Mike, thanks again.
Thank you.
And I just want to wish everyone a safe and happy trading day tomorrow on behalf of the ISC. This is Steve Meisinger, your host. I'm saying please come back real soon, June 21st at 7 o'clock p.m. and June 22nd at 4:30. And both of those are Eastern time. So, or if you can't make it, the archives are always available. So thank you. Again, have a great night. This is Steve Meisinger. Wishing you a great evening. Bye now.
Thank you for participating in this week's session. Please join us again next week. Get trading ideas, exchange rates, webinars, news, and commentary. Visit www.fxoptions.com. ISE FX options can be easily traded through all options-enabled brokerage accounts. These exchange-listed securities are cash-settled in U.S. dollars and have a European-style exercise.